So this is how you can map a route if you want to go for a walk or a run or a jog or take the dog somewhere, but this is how you can work out how long that route will be. So the first thing you do is go to Google Maps, and while you're there you want to click on your places and then maps and then create a map. Now find where you want to go. Let's zoom into somewhere around here in London, and then you can just measure the distance. So you might want to walk from here all the way down here, and you can see it's showing you the distance as we go. So that's 2.5 kilometers, and then you can go all the way back on the other side of the road. There you go, 5.3 kilometers, and that's created a map. And it's 5.3 kilometers, 22.9 hectares, and that's how you do it.